you guys, and welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And today's video is my summer clean and decorate with me video, which should have been up a long time ago, but since the summer hit, I just been, enjoying time with my girls and just having family time and really not thinking about doing anything else. So that's why I haven't even got around to decorating my house until today. Plus, I wanted to have all my DIYs done, which that was my last video. If you haven't seen it already, I will link it down below. My summer Dollar Tree DIY, home decor DIY video. Definitely check it out. I share with you guys how I created some of the DIYs that you're going to see today. And some of the other DIYs and home decor DIYs that you'll see me decorate with today are things that I made last year, or some things that didn't need to be, DIY'd or made over. It was just things from Dollar Tree. So everything in this video is going to be affordable for you guys either to create or to get at Dollar Tree. And I'll also give you some cleaning motivation. So if you do need the cleaning motivation today, or you just need some decoration inspiration, or if you just need someone, just to be along in the background with you guys to keep you guys motivated, then definitely have this video playing and we can keep each other, motivated and accountable of getting things done. So let's jump into the video. But like I always say, whenever we're doing some cleaning or working around the house, put your hair up in a bun and let's get things done. So of course we are starting with my entranceway. I always start there whenever I'm doing a clean and decorate with me video. And as you can see, most of the stuff, there was nothing really on there because I had took all the stuff down for Easter and really didn't put anything up until today, because like I said, I've been enjoying my time with my girls during the summertime. I did have that DIY up on the mirrors because I just shared with you guys my summer Dollar Tree DIY video, and I had put it up there to take pictures. So again, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Also, I had this diffuser that I just found at Walmart. It's from Better Homes and Garden, and I love it because the shape of it looks so beautiful, like it is like home decor within itself, but it had this beautiful navy blue color to it that I thought would be perfect for the summertime. So I bought this one, and then I have another one that you guys will see in my living room. There's the black one that you can use all year round, and I will link both of those down below if you guys want to get them. I love them. You guys know I love my diffusers, and they're really affordable as well, so I will link it down below. I'm also putting back this home sign that I made a while back, and I use it all the time unless I have like a specific seasonal sign that I want to put up there. And it was giving me trouble when I was putting back up there, and I couldn't realize why. But the reason was I had moved the nail up higher for the Easter decor, and I forgot it. So I have to adjust that sign because it's a little bit higher than what I want it to be. And then of course you guys know I decorate this tier tray that I created as well with Dollar Tree products. And I don't want to put too much stuff. I really want to have things very minimal when I decorate, because I don't like things to look cluttered, because for me, I'm the type of person, if I have a cluttered space, I have a cluttered mind and I can't focus. And also whenever you have to clean, it takes less time to clean the less stuff you have. So I'm not going to be filling this stuff up with a lot of things, but like I said, everything here is Dollar Tree or Dollar Tree DIYs. But if you have any questions about anything, just leave them in the comments down below. Here is one of the recent DIYs that I share with you guys on my channel. It was actually two different videos. I share with you guys how to create the ruffle bowl, and then I shared with you guys how to decorate it for summer. And here I wanted to share with you guys the essential oils that I've been using like every morning this summer, because it makes my house smell so good. But it also, the combination of these essential oils just wakes me up in the morning, and it actually gives me energy. Like once I was cleaning, in this cleaning video, I had so much energy that day because I had these 3 scents just going in my diffuser. And it's something about essential oils that I love, that not only because they're all natural, but they do certain scents to give you energy, and I love that because I always like a lot of energy. And also I have my little filtered water in this bottle, so that because you always want to have filtered water for your diffusers, so I have that in a little bottle. And this little lantern vase right here is so beautiful. I just recently found it at Dollar Tree. And I also found a light blue one that you'll see in my living room in just a few minutes in the video. But this one is so gorgeous. I just decided to put it right here next to the tier tray. But this would also look really nice in the backyard with like a, you know, a tea light, or maybe those Centralina candles to keep the mosquitoes away. And it'll have a nice little ambiance at night. So you could definitely take it outside. Now here I need you guys' help on how to hide this cord. This is the cord from the diffuser, and it just looks ugly to me. And I know some people say you could do like command hooks on the back and kind of loop them that way, but is there other ways that you can make it to where, I don't know, like where it's not dangling when it goes up? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments down below your ideas. But I also put here the little pillows that I shared with you guys in my recent DIY, and also this vase that I got from Dollar General last year with some Dollar Tree flowers. And this just looks really pretty. I love how I always like to decorate my entranceway because that's the first thing that people see. And I love how all the colors go together, and it's just so summery, and it's not too cluttered, but then it's like it's enough for, you know, it to be decorated. And then if we come in and we have to put stuff down, we can, but normally I don't like to put anything on this table because I don't like to mess this up. Now we're moving on to my coffee bar area, which is one of my favorite places to decorate because I always decorate the tier tray. If you follow me before, you guys know that I try to always move this toaster because I don't like to have it out on the counter, but my family does because they use a toaster every day. So it's one of those battles that I lost, that I have to keep it out for them. So, but I try to decorate around it, but this thing was so dirty today. And also guys, if you have any tips on how to clean your toaster, I feel like this one has like a little tray at the bottom where you could pull it out and you can clean it, but I don't know how to clean in between the toasters. Like if you guys have any tips on how to clean in between your toasters, or you got any good hacks, or there's somebody's video or TikTok that you guys saw, please leave in the comments down below, because I'm trying to figure out how to clean this toaster. That's one of my things. I hate having things that are so like hard to clean because I am like, you know, a perfectionist when I clean, and so that this toaster gives me a headache. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips. But I also have to deep clean my my coffee maker and also my ice maker. So that'll probably be another video where I share with you guys deep cleaning the appliances and small appliances in the kitchen. So if you guys would like to see a video on hacks and deep cleaning small appliances and stuff, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make that video for you guys, because I think that'll be a good video for both of us to give me the motivation for me to do it, and also let you guys know some tips on how I clean my coffee maker, my ice maker, and then hopefully if I get some tips for the toaster, I can share that with you guys as well. So this section, I'm just gonna decorate it like I did last year with the lemons. You guys loved this. I made an Instagram reel with this and you guys loved it. You also loved it when I decorated it from last year. Again, all this stuff is from Dollar Tree, except for the blue mugs. Those the blue glass jars, they're actually from Dollar General, but they were only $1 in Dollar General, which is amazing as well. And I just love that touch of blue with the yellow. So, and I basically decorated it the same way I did last year, except this year I did add that little was it candy jar? No, the gumball jar machine, the gumball, well, it looks like a gumball machine, but this little jar that I got from Target. So all I did was I filled it with small lemons and just added it to the counter as well. And I just love this section because like when I'm tired in the morning, I'm making my cup of coffee and I see this bright look of yellow, it just wakes me up. I don't know what it is about the yellows, but it's just something that wakes you up. So next we're moving on to the area next to my stove, and I have my new love, which is the air fryer, which I was debating on getting it. I've seen so many people have, on TikToks and Reels on how much they love their air fryer and stuff. And so we finally got one and I'm actually really loving it. The recent thing that I learned I can make in it is real fast is bacon. So I'm happy about that I can make my little turkey bacon every morning in under 10 minutes. And so that's great. The only thing is that it doesn't stay flat. It kind of curls up a little bit because of the air and stuff. But I still like that I can make foods healthier, especially you guys know in my recent videos I told you guys that I'm trying to get back into working out. As you can see, this is right here, this little area right here. I have my little jars and stuff like that from Dollar Tree, so my little oil jars. And I shared that with you guys in my recent DIY as well, Dollar Tree DIY organization. But anyways, I have been getting back into working out, as you can see, and even in this video I'm a little bit more heavier set than I want to be, and I just gained a lot more weight since like COVID and being home, and I just want to get back to feeling better and looking better. And so with this air fryer I'm able to make more recipes that are healthier for me, and I just love it. So if you guys would like to see like an air fryer, you know, food recipe video, let me know in the comments down below, because there is some new things I've been trying that I like, that I think if you guys had an air fryer, you guys might like it as well. So if you want to see a video like that, leave it in the comments down below. Now in this stove, you guys know I love to decorate on the back of it, add little decorations to it because it is a dark space. So I'm putting this sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and also these corals that I got from Dollar Tree last year that I just painted white. And I'm sorry it looks really bright. It's just that my lights, when they hit the aluminum, well, not aluminum though, the stainless steel, it just reflects the brightness. So. And then we're going to the next part of my counter, which over here I had to move my cookie jars actually to this side of my kitchen, which I'm not happy about, because if you guys seen in my videos before, my cookie jars are actually in the middle on my island. But because it's summertime, I like to decorate with this picture that I have, and you'll see it in just a minute. So I had to find a place for the cookie jars, and so I put them next to my stove. But like I said, I really don't like it there, but I might move it, but we'll see. Just stay tuned for the future videos and see if I might change it. And in this area, you guys know I have made these apothecary jars with Dollar Tree products, which is amazing. If you haven't seen that video, you definitely need to check it out, because apothecary jars can be so expensive. And I made this with Dollar Tree products and also leftover candles. I just use the candle tops. Like this one right here is a old candle top, and then the other one, the top is the candy jar from Dollar Tree. And I love these apothecary jars because every season I could decorate it with the seasonal stuff, and it just looks so pretty. So this is just a way you could decorate in your kitchen, your bathroom, anywhere for the seasons, and it's very affordable when you make it yourself, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on the apothecary jars that they have. And then of course my little shelves in my dining room, you guys know I like to decorate it. Again, I made these shelves with Dollar Tree products as well, and so I added some little touches there. Again, more with the yellows. You'll see more of the yellows in the kitchen than anywhere else. And then this is another DIY that I made, plus a plant that I got from Five and Below, and also my Easter DIY, this little plant holder. So now I'm just going to take everything and wipe everything down in my kitchen and make it, you know, clean for when I put that tray. And then once I put the tray down, you guys will see how I don't have the cookie jars on that anymore. I'm putting this new picture on it, which is really pretty. Again, it's the pops of yellow and the blue, and it's bright and stuff. And you guys know that whenever I do my kitchen, I always have a rag with hot water, hot soapy water first, and you know, wipe down all that gunky stuff first, and then I go in with my basil scent. It's just because I don't want to push around, you know, dirty stuff and gunk, so I always go in with the hot soapy water first, hot soapy water rag first, and get all the gunk off, and then go in with my basil spray for like a finishing touch. But this is what I was talking about, and it looks so beautiful, again with the yellows, the pops of yellows and white. And look at my kitchen, it looks so nice and clean. I love waking up in the morning to this just being nice and clean. It just starts my day. Now right here is the diffuser I was telling you guys about, that the black one that I got, and also my little setup that I've been sharing with you guys in my past Dollar Tree DIY videos. I love this little setup and that little tray, or that little shelf that I have from Target, and you can keep all your essential oils, and everything is all in one space, so I just love it. So now we're moving on to my living room, and these are the little bookshelves that I got from Dollar Tree, because again, I've always wanted a built-in type of system in my living room. But all of those like built-in shelves that you can buy, or those entertainment centers, guys, they're so expensive. So I decided I was just gonna make one around the fireplace that I already had. So these are just bookshelves from Walmart. And I do kind of want to add some like trim to it to make it look like one piece, but then again, I might change it out, so I don't know yet. But if you guys have any ideas, or if you guys seen a video of how somebody had took bookcases and kind of connected them to an existing fireplace, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would like to have ideas to make it look like all one piece and kind of DIY it myself. But this little area, I just love it. I just added, again, a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs and Dollar Tree items, and it just looks so cute. And now I know you guys have noticed that there's two different color knobs, and that's because I haven't decided yet if I want to have that black knob and have everything in black, or if I want to do white. So let me know in the comments down below, should I paint them all black or should I paint them all white? So that's why they have their two different ones right there, because I can't decide yet what I want. So let me know in the comments down below, should the knobs be black or should they stay white? And here's the other side, the other bookshelf. Again, behind me, if you can see, those are some plants that I've made, some planters that I recently made on my channel as well, Dollar Tree items, and I made like 2 of them. That this was like kind of like a high-end look that I saw, and I recreated with Dollar Tree products, and also the greenery in it is from Dollar Tree. This is an old Dollar Tree DIY, and again, that vase right there is from Dollar General. I got it for $3, which I thought was so perfect for the summertime. And it's just, if you haven't been to Dollar General, you definitely need to check out Dollar General, especially for their home decor, guys, because they have such amazing home decor things. I know Dollar Tree now has a Dollar Tree Plus section, which is kind of similar, the same things. But what I love about Dollar General is that you can actually return stuff and get your money back. But if you get something from Dollar Tree, you can only return it for another product. So if you're going to get something that's like $3 or $5, I would suggest getting at Dollar General instead of Dollar Tree. Now I'm just vacuuming and mopping the area with this new mop and vacuum that I got from Bissell. This is my favorite. It has saved me so much time, guys, because I'm able to mop and vacuum at the same time. And if you want to see more about this vacuum, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make a separate video because you need to know about this vacuum and mop set. Whew, guys, I am sweating because it is so hot here in Texas. That's why I had to wear my little short overalls, because when I get the cleaning, I already get hot, and it's already hot here in Texas no matter how the AC is, and we're having like a heat wave. But I think we're having heat waves everywhere else in the United States. That's what, when I see on Instagram, everybody talks about a heat wave. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys, wherever you're at, is it really hot? Like, we're in like the 104s here. So I'm glad I have a pool, but yes, I am like sweating, but I am done. I have my house decorated for the summer. It's nice and clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it gave you the cleaning motivation that you needed. If you needed some, I hope it gave you some, you know, summer decor ideas, even though I am doing it late. So I don't know if you guys are still gonna get any ideas from it, but hopefully you did. Let me know in the comments down below which decor piece or which like area was your favorite. I think for me, I like where the TV is at, but I always like my, you know, coffee bar area with the lemons in it. I just love it. It just looks nice and bright and sunny, and it kind of makes me like get excited when I get my coffee in the morning. It's like nice and bright, and I don't know, there's something about bright yellows that are just like energizing to me. I don't know what it is, but, and also with the essential oils that I have going on in the house that smells so good, but it also gives me energy to get things done. So, but anyways, I'm on a tangent, but let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And again, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you tons of cleaning motivation, or if you just needed a friend to hang out with today, I hope this video did it for you, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.